Hey everybody, it's Chris from DNC Properties. Promote my brand Longevity, which is also brought to you by DNC Properties. I did a review earlier on the new P251 Brushless Impact Drill/Driver. But a great tool, did a great review on it. I'm going to do definitely some really good things and some tests on this brand new tool I just got. But I want to touch base on another tool that I picked up on a really good price because I saw it was in one of those special combo kits. I normally don't go really off brand unless it's a really good deal. So I happened to walk by in Home Depot and I saw this. This is the Makita 18-volt subcompact brushless impact driver. This is the XDT15R1B brushless combo kit. This is brought to you by Makita. This is part of their compact set, which is supposed to be really tiny, but packs a serious punch. So I saw this kit. It's normally a pretty expensive kit. I think it's over $200 and it's on sale. Remember guys, these special buys are while limited supplies last. Once they're sold out, that's it. They don't get reshipments. They don't get them in again. That's it. So if you don't pick these special buys up when they get these combos, that's it. It's over with. You lose your shot. So let's jump right into it, guys. Looks like it comes with a pretty nice little Makita bag. Let's see here. Wow, that's pretty cool. I think I might actually, I might hang this up on my wall here. Thanks, Makita. Thank you for showing me all the damn tools that I need to buy for your system now. Which I probably end up doing anyways because I do admire different tool systems. I admire trying out different tool systems because of the difference of having these. In my business, it's never too bad to have too many tools. You know what I mean? And plus, I like trying out new things. I like trying out new lines. Get inside. Sorry about that, guys. My dumbass cat got out and I had to chase her down the street because she's an inside cat. Inside cats don't belong outside because they will die because they have no fighting skills, nothing. They are institutionalized in the house. They don't know how to survive on the outside. It's not like she would have ran far, she would have ran back anyway. So Makita gave me this pretty cool poster. It's like 200 plus tools they have. All different types of grinders, all different types of everything. So, it's going to be really interesting to see what types of tools they bring. As this is being my first purchase from Makita. Plastic. Ooh, nice little handy dandy clip. This is gonna, ooh, I don't know guys. This one looks a little, is that how they come? They come bent like that? I don't think so. Looks like mine was maybe bent. I don't know, guys. We'll see. I'm gonna check this out. I don't think it's supposed to come like that, but it's not really making me happy on a first note. Whoa, holy fuck. This charger is huge. Oh my lord, this is supposed to be like a smart charger. It makes all types of hickety-dickety-dackety noises. One thing I will say right off the bat, guys, that I'm not a big fan of is I can't hang this on my wall. Not so good, Makita. What if I wanted to charge this fucking thing on my wall? I mean, this damn thing on my wall. Like, I mean, it's cool. It looks cool, but what if I wanted to hang it on my tool wall? Like, I don't know. So, one thing I don't like so far is, I know it seems like something super little, but I like to be able to put that on my wall. Also comes with a compact I think this is a 2 amp hour battery from Makita. It's not one of their big batteries, but it is a 2 amp. I like this. It's got this nice little plastic sleeve to protect the battery, so it's pretty cool. I'll probably hold on to that because that might come in handy to protect it from getting damaged or dirt inside of it or a bunch of other things, you know what I mean, when you're just storing the batteries. And then, guys, last but not least, let's put this box aside, the handy dandy, wow. I mean, guys, I don't know about you, but I'm going to take this back and exchange it because, I mean, this thing has got like, this thing's been used. I mean, it's got like dirt and shit in it and like, I mean, it's got all types of shit, grass and like, I mean, that's not really a good way to start. It's not a really good way to start, like, me buying this tool right off the rip, you know what I mean? Like, I like it, it's compact, it's small. I'm definitely taking it back to get a different one. Makita, what's up with that? I mean, it's got, like, grass and, like, shit all over it. I mean, this thing was definitely used and, like, put back on the shelf at Home Depot. Not really sure what's up with that shit. And then, like, again, like check this out, like, my clip is, like, bent. Like, it's, like, I don't know, man. That's not a really good way to, like, start off, like, me buying a new brain, guys. It doesn't, I'm assuming it's because the battery's dead, but this thing just doesn't sound powerful at all. I'm gonna, like, right off the rip, I want to try it out. I want to see the power of this thing real quick, guys. And it doesn't even have like the smart like impact release. Really? No way. So right off the rip, it's like you have to pull it out, and like it doesn't even have like the intelligent like release. Like this is supposed to be like, I mean, it's cool, it's tiny, but like you gotta be shitting me. Like it doesn't even have like your smart release on it. I mean, what's up with that? Let me grab a piece of wood, guys. Like let's see like let's test this thing out real quick. I mean. So, I mean, here I got like a simple piece of wood. It's like, you need to prop this thing up a little bit. I don't know, guys. It just kind of really disappoints me. Like, you spend a lot of money on a tool, and like you're expecting like really good results out of like something new, and the damn thing's like fucking used. Wow, that's pretty impressive. I will say it seems to pack a pretty good punch. It seems that it's got quite a bit of power, guys. I will say that much. So, so for the most part, I don't know, guys, what do you think? Like, oh, is that battery dead? So, I don't know, guys. But right off the rip, I'll tell you what, it does have some power. I will give it that. But I do have to say, I will be taking this one back and exchanging it for a new one, as why the fuck it's got dirt and shit all over it, I don't know. To me, that's super unacceptable for a tool that you pay quite a bit of money for. You know, I don't think anything brand new that you buy should be coming with a fuck up like that, right? Especially when you pay a lot of money for it. I mean, hell, guys, even let alone like just like the simple things like the clip, like it's bent. So besides that mess, I will say though it seems to pack a pretty good punch. It does seem like it's very well built. It seems that the tool seems like it's I don't know. It seems pretty decent, guys. I'll give you that. It seems like it's got quite a bit of power for a damn tiny little fucking tool. It really does. But right off the back, it doesn't have like the smart quick release like these do, like the DeWalt's or the Ryobis or anything like that. So on that note, I just don't know how I really feel about it. Because, to be honest with you, it's very important, you know, the initial buy when you buy tools, guys, it's to me, the shit's got to be like, you know, you spend a lot of money on tools, man. If you're buying something and the damn thing's fucking got grass on the shit when you're buying it, that's really not a good like way to start things off. So what I'm going to do, guys, is pause this video. I'm going to upload another one tomorrow. We'll get more into the tool when I exchange it for a new one. But, I mean, the clip is bent. It's got shit all over it. Clearly you can tell it was used. I'm wondering if maybe that auto lock system is broke. I don't know if it has it or not. I'll have to do some research on it. But I do like how small it is, and it does have some, for one bar with like no power left, that thing moves pretty quick. So I do like the tool. It's lightweight, it's great, and that was only a 2 amp hour battery. So Makita, I'm going to give you a chance tomorrow. We'll go from there once we get it exchanged, and we'll do another review tape on the tool. We'll do some drilling into wood. We'll do some speed tests. We'll do a bunch of other tests so we can see how this thing performs. All right, guys? We'll see you tomorrow.